Welcome to Learn with Amin. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make the payment of Canadian taxes to CRA using the bank account. So basically you have multiple options. Either you go to the CRA website, CRA account, and then you basically pay the amount that you owe, or you could go to the bank and ask them to make a payment into CRA account from your end for your SIN number, which is social insurance number, or it's like SSN number of the United States. Or you could also make the payment through the most common method that Canadians use to pay. So that is by the online method, paying using online banking from your bank account. Okay, now why do I say that do not go to the CRA account to make the payment? It is because in one of the border cases you cannot make the payment from the CRA my account. What is that border case is? Now if you have filed for a return and soon after that you realize there is a mistake or an amendment is required, and you would owe more taxes, or yeah, if you would owe more taxes, then you cannot give an amount that is more than what the account is reflecting in the my CRA account. That's why I would recommend you to pay using the bank account. You can pay any amount using the bank account. So if you are paying more amount of money than what is shown in your CRA account, then that will sit as credit in your CRA account. Okay, now if first of all you need to log into your net banking. After that you need to click on bill payments. After that proceed to add or edit payees, then click on add payee. Here directly you can see the tax season 2025 view payees, right? Either you can click here or you can search CRA over here, and you will see the options that you can pay for. Click on view payees. You will be able to see like multiple options to pay to CRA. Now here what it is saying is the CRA revenue tax installment. If you are paying the tax in installments, so we'll not go into that because that would incur some interest, or uh, some amount of money, and you require some approval, pre-approval on this. Now CRA revenue tax amount owing, this actually refers to the amount that you should be paying if that amount is with regards to 2024, 2023, 2022 tax returns which are in the past, like more than 1 year old. If you are paying, then you have to use this option. But for example, this is 2026 April and you are paying the amount of tax that you owe with regards to 2025, that is just the previous year. I would say like the current financial year, then you would have to click this. So I want to pay my taxes for the 2025 tax season, so I would have to click on this and make my payment to this particular payee. On the next page, it is going to ask you for the account number. So what is this account number? This is your social insurance number or SIN number. You would have to enter your SIN number here, and then you would have to provide the nickname for this particular payee, and then you need to click on next. On the next page, it will ask you to provide the amount that you would want to pay to the pay you just added. So after you have entered your account number, you will add the nickname, then you click on add pay, then that adds the pay actually in the system. Then you need to select that pay and then click on pay bill, and it will be asking you for the amount and the payment frequency. You can select pay once on this date, select today's date, and then click on next. That will make the payment to the CRA account on behalf of you for your SIN number, which is social insurance number. Once you have set up the bill payment, it says your request to set up the following payment is complete. Then you can just verify all the details, the amount and the account that you have selected, and also note the reference number for your records. So that's about it. This is how you can make payment to the CRA for your personal income tax through your bank account. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.